Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change a password to your Glassdoor account. So you have a Glassdoor account that you use to anonymously view and submit salaries, or you use that account to look for jobs and other things, but you feel like your password to that account is not secure enough, or your security is getting breached for some reason and you want to change the password to your Glassdoor account, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change a Glassdoor account password. It's a very simple process. You'll do it in no time with no problem at all. So the first thing you want to do in order to change a Glassdoor account password is open a browser and go to glassdoor.com. Once you go to glassdoor.com, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change the password of. If not, log into that account and you land on an interface like this. Here, what you want to do in order to change your Glassdoor account password is on the top right corner, you'll see an account icon. Click on that. Once you click on that account icon, a drop down menu will open. From that drop down menu, click on account settings. Once you click on the account settings, you land on the account settings interface. Here, when you scroll down, you'll see a section labeled as password reset. From here, you can change the password to your Glassdoor account. But before you create a new password for your Glassdoor account, you'll have to enter your current password to your Glassdoor account. So go ahead and do that. Once you enter your current password, create a new password for your Glassdoor account. Once you create a new password for your Glassdoor account, confirm that password. Once you confirm your new password to your Glassdoor account, click on the Save Changes button on the bottom right. Once you do that, you'll successfully change the password to your Glassdoor account. Now you can use Glassdoor to anonymously search for jobs or anonymously view and show salaries. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.